erase those lines, those secant lines. Yes. Watch what we're able to do all at once now. Off the graph screen, back to the home screen. I'll do this very quickly, then I'll go back and show you what we're doing again. I can go y1 at 12.289 minus, I'm going quickly, I'll come back, I promise. Y1 at 6 divided by 12.289 minus 6. You see what that just did?
Yes.
It gave us the exact same rate of change that we have over here, but it did it all for us.
You're so proud of yourself.
No, no, no. I'm not proud at all. I'm trying to give you guys a shortcut. Now, watch. Understand what you're looking at. First of all, why do I have this set of parentheses here and this one right here? Because when you have a fraction, this is why I hate, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. This is why I despise, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Fraction bar has built-in parentheses. So right away, the first thing you have to know, if you're going to put this into your TI, is that there's a set of parentheses around the top of this, and there's a set of parentheses around the bottom, and those are the two that you see up there, the two on the outside. Those two, I'll make them blue so they match. Those two, and these two. These two there, these two here. Cool so far? Now, here's where it gets a little bit, this is where it gets TI easy. And I say easy, I don't mean TIEASY. I mean TI, you have to think like a TI talks in TIEs, which is not easy. The first one, Y1 parentheses 12.289. What you see up there, Y1 parentheses 12.289, is you're asking the TI what Y value exists when X is 12.289. Now we know what the answer is to that question. We know what the answer is to that question. The answer is 200 feet. But that's how the TI references it. When you go into the data and you put an X or a Y value in, that's the language it uses. So when you see Y1 parentheses 12.289, it's in its mind going, that's 200. See Y1 parentheses 6, which is kind of in the next little bit there, Y1 parentheses 6. We know the answer to that, it's 50.234. But that's how you cue the TI to do it. You're just buying this.
Because it's the function of X.
It's the function of X, exactly right. The beauty of doing it this way is now you can refine those slopes very, very easily by using the last trick. I showed you this before. Second enter. Watch this. Second enter. Suppose now you wanted to check it from 6 seconds to 12.289 seconds. No, I just said 6. From 7 to 12.289 seconds. All you've got to do now is go back up and change the 6s to 7s. Press enter. That's your new average rate of change. Suppose you want to check it from 8 seconds to 12.289 seconds. Second enter. Change the 7s to 8. That's my new average rate of change. So the reason you do it this way, although it seems convoluted, more convoluted at the beginning, is actually it gets you to this point much more quickly. You get to this result much, much more quickly. So that's what I want you guys to practice between now and Wednesday. I got a little in-class quiz for you here. You can work with each other if you want to. You're basically doing the exact same thing we just did, except you're going between you're going from 10 seconds, 10.289 seconds to 10.289 seconds. Then you're also going a half second before, a tenth of a second, a hundredth of a second. So what you're essentially going to be doing, and we're going to revisit this on Wednesday, is you're getting those lines to curve like this up, so they actually match what's going on the curve. Does that make sense? So do more of the same. I'm going to hand these around. You guys all grab one. If you want to work in partners, that's totally fine. My plan was to do this in class with you guys. We're out of time. That's okay. Just bring it home with you instead. Brittany, what's up? Oh, sure. So no homework other than this for Wednesday.